And hello guys, today I'd like to share with you recipe of classic and traditional Turkish Döner Kebab. Everybody loves this, so now you can cook it at home, anytime you want to. Comes together very easily, just follow this step-by-step recipe. Hello everybody, my name is Dimitri and it's 1001 calories. Every other day I'm sharing with you interesting recipes from all over the world. If you like them, don't forget to subscribe our channel and share with your friends and family. For today's recipe we need minced beef, onion and garlic, bacon, pepper, dried oregano, cumin, coriander and cinnamon. To make this recipe, mix meat and all spices, add salt and pepper, mix all together to combine, and cover and set aside to the fridge for at least 2 hours overnight. Place in a food processor bacon, onions and garlic, blitz to make a paste, add meat, and process it all together until it becomes a paste. Take your meat out, wet your hands and begin to shape an even block. After your block is done, prepare 2 pieces of foil overlapping each other. Place meat on the end of the foil and roll it up. Wrap it tightly and twist the ends firmly. Thread 2 skewers through the log. Place it elevated and bake for 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, take it out and turn over, and then cook for additional 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take it out, increase your temperature of oven to 250 degrees, uncover, leaving the skewers in the place. Place in the same position and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn over again and cook for additional 10 minutes. And your meat is cooked. Remove the skewers. Shave meat thinly as possible. And color the meat for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium-high heat with olive oil. And here we go. Our recipe is done. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you after tomorrow with brand new recipes from all over the world.